A congressional commission evaluating the United States' strategic posture has emphasized the necessity of stepping up military modernization. This step is vital for enhancing both conventional and nuclear forces. Join us as we delve into the details and implications of this strategic evaluation. The Strategic Posture Commission's report says that the United States must step up its military modernization to enhance its conventional and nuclear forces and ensure it is ready for possibility of simultaneous wars with China and Russia. The report arrives amidst escalating tensions with China, particularly regarding Taiwan, and other concerns, as well as escalating hostilities with Russia following its invasion of Ukraine. The report describes the current global situation as being totally different from anything we have seen before, even during the toughest times of the Cold War. Introduction of the report, written by Commission Chair Madeleine Creedon and Vice Chair John Kyle, says, "Today, the United States is on the cusp of having not one but two nuclear peer adversaries, each with ambitions to change the international status quo by force if necessary. A situation which the United States did not anticipate and for which it is not prepared." The Commission added that while the risk of a major nuclear conflict remained low, the risk of military conflict with either or both Russia and China has grown, and with it, the risk of nuclear use possibly against the US homeland. The report recognized that Russia and China have improved their air and missile defense capabilities. It also agreed with the Pentagon's prediction that China might have about 1,500 nuclear warheads by 2035. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken said last year that China posed the most serious long-term challenge to the international order, and the Washington would follow a strategy of invest, align, complete to address the challenge. "We are not looking for conflict or a new Cold War," Blinken said in a speech at George Washington University. "To the contrary, we are determined to avoid both." One of the suggestions from the Commission is that Washington should quickly and completely carry out the nuclear weapons modernization program, which started in 2010 and is estimated to last for 30 years. The recommendations also covered increasing the presence of tactical nuclear weapons in Asia and Europe, producing more B-21 stealth bombers and Columbia-class nuclear submarines, and leveraging emerging technologies like hypersonics and artificial intelligence to enhance military capabilities. The challenges are unmistakable. The problems are urgent. The steps are needed now, the Congressional Review of USAID's Strategic Posture said.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.